When our users ask, SSI listens. And with the November 2024 release of ShipConstructor and ShipbuildingPLM, we have now incorporated user requests and added enhancements and updates to key features both for modelers and project managers alike. In alignment with ongoing efforts to improve space allocations comes the ability to accurately represent shapes and profiles, leading to a more efficient workflow within the functional to detailed design modeling process. Space allocations now include the following profiles: standard rectangular, rounded corner rectangular, flattened oval, and round. Furthermore, space allocation context menu options provide customizations for profile corners and their transitions, and include constraints for grip edits, preventing invalid shapes from being generated. The ability to track and organize parts within your project is a critical task for project managers and modelers alike. Updated labeling tools and enhanced features facilitate this process by making even more properties available for electrical, space allocation, standard assemblies, and weld property labels throughout the model. And now includes support for electrical accessory package dynamic property definitions. The enhanced orientation icon now supports additional properties, scaling options, and text styles. Finally, the 3D viewpoint command is now available from the main panel on the Hull tab ribbon. Ongoing improvements to the user management initiative continue with ShipConstructor 2025 R2, as the Manage Users interface is now displayed using a grid-style format for both the manager and administrator dialog windows, allowing for more efficient sorting, filtering, and grouping of the database access for users associated with the project. In addition, user details can now be easily imported and exported, meaning those designers working on one project can be quickly added to the next with the click of a button. User management now includes password controls for accessing projects. Passwords can be updated when the user first logs into the project, as well as the option to be updated using the Change Password dialog when necessary. This added security feature means better control of the change management workflow and allows for password protection of sensitive aspects of the marine information model. The ability to quickly reference corresponding parts with bill of material items when working within production drawings is an important option to have available for modelers, and not only saves time, but provides a cleaner workspace and better drawing management. The BOM Part Viewer provides this functionality in both layout and model production drawing environments, allowing the user to not only quickly visualize parts simply by selecting the BOM list item, but also provides the option to zoom to the part within the drawing and to open the SSI portal application, displaying all part-related project elements for viewing and navigation. Previously known as the Show Part Properties dialog, and previously only available to Advantage Pack subscription users, the BOM Part Viewer is now a core feature within ShipConstructor and available for use within the SC Utilities tab for all subscription types. With the previous 2025 R1.1 release of ShipConstructor, the ability to calculate surface area reports of parts based on compartments was introduced, dramatically reducing the time spent estimating and scheduling surface treatments for specific areas of the vessel. In the 2025 R2 release, the ability to automatically calculate surface areas has now been extended to include equipment parts. This allows for equipment surface area calculations to be included, isolated, or even removed from overall calculations, making the job of estimation easier than ever. Also, the Load Manager has now been integrated into the Surface Area Calculator workflow, allowing for the streamlining of output generation based on customizable criteria. ShipConstructor tasks allow project managers to track revision changes made by users for a project, while at the same time providing structure for modelers who need to focus on specific assignments within the model. With the 2025 R2 release, ShipConstructor tasks now provide users with read-only access as a default project-level task option, required in such cases as where users may need access to the project for production or review purposes on approved assemblies, possibly where changes are no longer permitted. Users may still access the project using the read-only task, but will be unable to save any revisions. Read-only tasks mean more control and peace of mind for project managers who need to ensure limited access to the marine information model. Synchronization between sister ships is now easier than ever with the introduction of the WorkShare Transfer File command. Simply save the transfer configuration settings into a dedicated file and reuse the same configuration within multiple transfers to hulls located at different sites or hulls within a similar series or class. Shipbuilding PLM enables project stakeholders to manage every detail of a project, from the final delivery of a complete vessel down to the nuts and bolts contained within accessory packages. Shipbuilding PLM now provides the ability to add these accessories and accessory package data from project pipe systems, as well as the connections themselves. In addition, accessory packages and their associated spools can now be easily included within dedicated bill of material lists directly from within the user interface. View these and all other ShipConstructor and Shipbuilding PLM solutions by visiting SSI Nexus today. ShipConstructor, empowering the business of shipbuilding.